your latest forecast.
All right, Dylan, thank you. Up next, our Sunday stories. We'll go out of this world to see how asteroids could help make some people trillions of dollars.
Today, Sunday, January 17th, 2016.
From NBC News, this is Today. Live from Studio 1A in Rockefeller Plaza.
Back now on a Sunday morning with a story that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction movie. A company in Washington State is planning to head into space to mine for asteroids.
Seriously, as the Weather Channel's Dave Malkoff reports, it's all in an effort to bring the riches of outer space home.
Asteroids, those hunks of rock and metal, are deep space bonanzas.
What are you trying to do? You're trying to mine asteroids?
We're creating an industry which will bring the resources of space within the economic influence of this planet.
In an office building outside of Seattle, Chris Lewicki, a leader of 2 NASA Mars rover missions,
We're in our manufacturing and test facility.
is building a company, Planetary Resources, to mine asteroids.
This was once orbiting the sun.
Let me feel that. Wow, that's very heavy.
Some metal asteroids could be worth trillions because they contain an out-of-this-world amount of platinum.
Hundreds of times higher concentration than the most productive mines here on Earth.
The company plans to launch dozens, if not hundreds, of small, relatively cheap probe satellites to take an up-close look at near-Earth asteroids, find out how much they're worth, and eventually dig in with robotic mining ships.
So that's it. That's your spacecraft right back there.
Yeah, this is our Orchid 6 satellite. It's about the size of a cereal box.
Asteroids have the metal to 3D print spaceships, water to drink, and the stuff rocket fuel is made of. All finders keepers.
Is it possible that a person working in this building, you included, could become a trillionaire from this with a T?
With a T. That's something that we're very excited about. Our investors, of course, are very excited about that as well.
And those current investors range from Google's Larry Page and Eric Schmidt to Sir Richard Branson. If they are successful, mining asteroids could make it possible for humans to live on other planets someday.
Here we are on this fragile blue dot. Unless we're really able to get to multiple places, we might go the way of the dinosaurs.
At today's cost, just one glass of water transported into space, it would cost around $10,000. But if you could get that same glass of water in limitless supply from an asteroid, well, it would make space travel a whole lot cheaper. For Today, Dave Malkoff in Redmond, Washington.
Such a wild story.
It's fascinating.
It sounds scary to me, the notion of messing with, space.
Yeah.
But then at the same time, I guess that's a lot of platinum rings.
But you wonder, what the consequence will be of messing up the
Says
whole
the meteorologist.
atmosphere
Yes.
in space,
Good
or lack
question.
thereof.
Good question. Still to come, a medical mystery with